Hi, I'm Ross and you're watching Sky Management. Today we're going to be changing out a mailbox lock. This is a mailbox that's in a group of mailboxes for an apartment community. If you need to change one of these locks, it's really easy to do. We ordered these on Amazon and we'll put a link for them down below here. To change the locks, it's nice if you can get the door open. If you can't get the door open and you have to like reach in through the back to do it, you can still do it. How you remove the lock is to pull off this little horseshoe piece. It's this little piece that looks like this that's back here. This will remove the lock part. Now on the one that we have here today, you can't remove the arm on this. So to make it a little bit easier, before you take that horseshoe piece off, if you can't remove the arm, if you can bend it out kind of straight, just a little bit, then it will fit out the hole better. So now to remove the lock, you pull this little horseshoe piece off, this little clip. That'll make the lock loose, and it should fit right out the hole if you bent that arm out of the way. If you can remove the arm, then all you need to do is take that back arm off and the lock part will fall off. When you're ready to put the new lock on, you'll need to determine which arm that you need to have to fit your mailbox. This is the old one that came off, so we'll need to find the arm piece that most looks like this one, and so I've attached it onto this other lock. So this is the one we'll be using. We can just get rid of these other three. To put the lock on, first we're going to remove the arm that I put on there to slide it in there. So set that to the side. When you're putting on the new lock, you'll want to position it where the teeth on the key are to the upside, so that puts the fatter part of the lock on the top. So we'll slide the lock in. Then you'll secure it in with the horseshoe piece. The horseshoe piece can be a little bit stiff to try to push on there, so you may need a screwdriver or something to sort of tap it down on to hold it in place. Then we're going to be putting the arm piece on that we selected earlier. There is a little lock washer piece that will go on, and then there's a nut on the back of this screw. When you're attaching the arm piece, put the key in the other side and turn it to make sure that it's going the right direction, so that this will grab the side of the box. Once you've got it finger tight, you can go ahead and take a pair of pliers or a wrench and tighten that just a little bit. So that it's good and snug. We can go ahead and try it. And that's how you place the lock on a mailbox that's in a bank of mailboxes like this. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.